Travel. Seriously? Are you crazy? 2020 indeed has been tough. Restrictions, closed borders, lockdowns. But you still kept going. With banana bread recipes, new hobbies, Netflix marathons, you name it. Hats off to all of you. After this roller coaster year, you definitely deserve a 2021 getaway. A getaway to look forward to. But travel in times like these? Is it even possible? Well, saving now and traveling later is. And what if Corona forces me to change my plans? No worries, we're flexible. But what if I want to travel in my own safe bubble? Cool with us, we'll set you up on a private tour. Your health and safety is our top priority. Alright, but where to? With thousands of safe travel destinations and endless life-enriching experiences, we've got you covered. Travel. You deserve it. TourRadar. Booking tours made easy.